Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. The guys are here working, so we're just hanging around a little bit this morning. They're sanding and painting, and I think they'll be done today. We'll see. Anyway, but once they get done, Ian and I are going to go get our Christmas tree. So I'm super excited about that, and run a few errands. I need to return some tile, go pick up those printouts again. I got to see if the library is open today, and then we'll start decorating tonight. I need to clean a little bit before I decorate, but I want to wait until they're done sanding before I do that. So yeah, I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and then get started for the day. Okay, popping into Floor and Accord to return this one rando box of tile. So I'm going to show Ian a tile that I really liked for our primary bathroom. I really like that green, this mint stack. Like it's large panel though. And then I also really like that green one up there with the ridges for the shower. Okay, we got that returned. I showed Ian those couple of tiles that I liked for the bathroom. I passed a Christmas tree lot the other week and I thought it was on a specific street and it wasn't. So now we're gonna go see if we can't find one and go get our tree. Yay! Okay, we're here. Let's go find our perfect tree. I think this is our tree right here. Well, it's just a little sparse there, but I think it's okay. What do you think? She's a beaut, Clark. Okay, so we got the tree and it's gonna go in this corner right here. So I need to make some space for it real quick so that we can get it in here. That tree place was so expensive. I don't think I've ever paid that much for a tree in my life. Nor will I ever again. It was quite honestly ridiculous, but then you're on the spot and they're like, it's this much, and you don't want to be like, that's a ridiculous price, but also it absolutely was a ridiculous price, and I kind of wish I had the gumption to be like, never mind. But anyway, so Ian's gonna go get my tree stand, and I'll show you my vintage tree stand that I got. But first, let me make some room. Okay, so this is my vintage Christmas tree stand that I got a couple years ago. And I don't know if you can see it. There's a little nubbin in there. So we've got to drill the tree so that it fits in there. I'm almost wondering if I should put a towel down underneath it in case it leaks. One casualty. Okay, so got that tree decorated. I still have to clean our bathroom, and that doesn't seem like it's very fun for you. So I'm gonna do that off camera, but and that tree took me forever. I don't know why it took me forever, but I did add some green ribbon to it to help tie in the green that is in there. So it's probably the most traditional Christmas tree I've had in a while, but I think it turned out really pretty. I also realized that like, it's not very well lit. Like I need to pull some of the lights out. So especially at the top, it gets kind of dark, but we'll work on that. But anyway, we picked this up at Costco and today is December 1st. And so we're gonna do Penny's, it is a dog advent calendar. It also is massive. I don't think I realized how big it is, but like, look at this. It goes, you just gotta find the one. Oh, right there it is. And then it's got all these little different things in it. So, Penny, would you like to open your advent calendar? Would you like to open it? Can you come here? Come right here. Sit. Yes, that's a good girl. Let's see, one. So you just punch it out. And there's a goodie for Penny. It's cute. It's like a little, what do you call it? What do you call these things, Pen? Candy cane. That's what it's called. Okay, are you ready? Oh, it smells cinnamony. Oh, was that too big of a bite? Anyway, we're gonna go through this year. So we'll be doing her advent calendar together. It's pretty cute. It's by BarkBox, which we normally do get her BarkBox. Get your crumbs, look, there's crumbs. We used to get her BarkBox, but honestly, she doesn't really play with the toys much, but can you sit? Can you sit pretty? Sit pretty. Sit pretty, come on, sit pretty. Yes, good girl. Take that. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish giving her this. I'm gonna go clean the bathroom, and then we gotta figure out what we're doing for dinner. I think we are gonna do this Costco meal that we have. Let me show you. Chicken coconut curry with mango. We've not had this one before, so we'll try it, but we've tried other things like this from Costco. It's just a quick, easy meal, and honestly, I knew we'd be doing a lot the last couple of days, so I wanted something that was super simple. So anyway, I am going to go clean the bathroom so that we can move back into our master bath. I am not gonna film it. A, because it's gonna take me forever to do it if I film it, and B, y'all don't need to see me scrubbing toilets, but just know that's what I'm doing. So I did not get as much decorating done today as I had hoped, because we really needed to get that bathroom cleaned so that we could have our ensuite back, which there's nothing wrong with using our second bathroom, but it's just nice to have it connected and all of that. So anyway, that got deep cleaned. Like walls were washed, all of that, you know, bathroom scrubbed, toilet scrubbed, sink scrubbed, blinds wiped down, doors wiped down, yada, yada, yada. And then we had to move everything back over in there. So Ian's working on dinner now, and I actually have to edit this vlog when I'm done with it. But I was gonna tell you guys, so not only do I love my vintage cast iron tree stand, because it's cute, right? But I also love that, like, on a real tree, when pine needles are inevitably gonna fall, I can just sweep them up and I don't have to like shake it out of a tree skirt. Also, it kind of worked out well because normally I wrap a blanket around that and it's really hard to get the pine needles out of it. But also in the move, in the box that we can't find, which I think I talked about on here, that has my vintage ceramic Christmas tree that is nowhere to be found between here and Atlanta, was also my tree skirt that I use on my fancy tree. So kind of worked out, but we did have to drill a hole in the base of that tree because there's a little nubbin in there, and it sits perfectly, honestly. I mean, it's so easy, but After I filmed putting on all those ornaments, I did also add in some green bows to help put some green in here. So let me show you. So we have the red ones that I normally have, but I also added in these green ones right here, which are kind of like a limey citron green. They kind of go with the colors in my what do you call them, curtains and my thing. But like, look at how pretty that is. It's so pretty. I'm happy with it. This might be the last year I leave the orange slices on there. I'm kind of over them. I don't think they look the best. So every year my decor does evolve a little bit year over year. Not that I go out and buy a lot, but just that it does. So anyway, last night we watched Home Alone. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yep, we watched Home Alone. And tonight, are we gonna watch another Christmas movie?
Sure.
Which one? Elf?
Sure.
Maybe we'll watch Elf. I don't know, at this rate, we're gonna watch all of the Christmas movies. So anyway, we're gonna make that meal. I'll let you know tomorrow how it is. And tomorrow, it's kind of up in the air. The guys are coming to demo the floors tomorrow in the basement. They got almost everything done down there, paint-wise, except for the laminate flooring. So they have to demo the flooring that's in there, self-level, like put some self-leveling concrete in there, and then they'll come back Wednesday. So my game plan is tomorrow's gonna be kind of hectic. So I think Penny's gonna go to daycare if I can get her in. And if I can't, then we might go to the dog park. There's actually a dog park with a bar attached to it called Bellevue, and I'll link their Instagram in the thing if we go tomorrow. But they're doing like a Christmas bar, and then there's a dog park attached. So I texted my friend, messaged my friend and said, you know, do you want to take the dogs there tomorrow? Because they have Nero, a 1-year-old husky, and he's real cute, but he's a mess. So anyway, so I need to do that, and I've got to bake and I've got to finish decorating, but I'm really worried that the demo tomorrow is gonna create a lot of dust, and so I don't really wanna decorate, and it'll be quiet on Tuesday. So I think what I'm gonna do, is tomorrow kind of like, I don't know, figure out what I'm gonna do. But then Tuesday, I'm gonna paint the bathroom, like I was telling you. And tomorrow we'll talk about kind of my inspiration of that. And I'm hoping tomorrow after they get done, because I don't think it'll take them all day, I can finish decorate. I need to kind of dust in here and then finish decorating upstairs, which would be awesome because I feel like this is taking forever. So anyway, we're gonna make dinner, and I'm gonna watch Elf, I think, or maybe The Grinch. Actually, The Grinch sounds better. Maybe we'll watch The Grinch and the Jim Carrey one. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Bye.